In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% completed save file in Resident Evil Revolutions 2 and unlock all episodes, weapons, and progress instantly. Check my video description for this save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open this number remote, close up here and press and keyboard Windows key and R key together. Type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Go back to app data, open this roaming, Steam, text, random number, remote. Before dropping the save, right click on the desktop and select new and select folder. Drag and drop this save inside to take away game progress backup. And now drag and drop this 100% save file inside. If you can't find a save file location, then check my video description for this file path. Navigate to this path and you can able to find this. Once you drop the file, launch the game. Once you are in game, in main menu, you need to select this lost before option. Uh, In here, select fifth option. On right side, you need to change both to a high char. That means in Russian, it changed to English. Both set to a high char. And once you set and press enter to save settings, as you can see, it changed to English. And just go back and go to episode select, choose the episode you like to play, and as you can see the save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.